everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making soup. As you remember with last video we chose from my wish recipe jar potato and leek soup. It's so delicious, so comforting soup, light, elegant, delicate and so nutritious. Let's make it. For this soup we need such a simple ingredients. The main ingredient, of course, look how beautiful, leeks. I love leeks. They're so universal using vegetable. You can put so many places and I promise to share with you many recipes with leek. Another ingredients, you can potato, my favorite golden potato, but Russell potato can work as well. Some frozen peas, cream. We're also going to garnish with creme fraiche later. Good quality butter, olive oil, and we're also going to create stock, vegetarian stock. So this soup vegetarian, and we're going to make instant vegetarian stock, which is quick, easy. You will see. It takes no time to make, and we obviously need onion for that, carrots, and celery. So 3 vegetables, classic to make start any stock, and some spices like salt and pepper. So let's do it. So for our vegetable stock, very simple. First of all, we need onion. Sometimes I make this stock and freeze this vegetable broth, and it's nice to have on hand. You can add to so many dishes like risotto, paella, or really anything what you want to make vegetarian instead of chicken stock. Celery. The good rule for any stock, it's 50% onion, 25 carrots, and 25 celery. And simple spice. Salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. And just simply add 6 cups of cold water. Super simple, and will be ready in 20-25 minutes. It's easy. While we're waiting on our vegetarian stock, we'll do prep for the leeks. And leeks, they're so sandy because they grow in sandy soil. So be careful, you have to wash like at least rinse 2-3 times. So that's what we're going to do. And normally for leeks, I only use white part, maybe slightly green, a pale green color. But for this recipe, I like to take a little bit, like 1 inch of green color. It just gives better color for the soup. Along with peas, bright green color, so the soup is beautiful. In a pot, add generous amount butter, generous, I would say 2-3 tablespoons, and let it melt. Add leeks. And about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It happens, I like combination butter and olive oil, but it's not necessary, you can skip on that. Pinch of salt, like about 1 teaspoon, and let it cook. This leeks has to cook on low and slow for a while, at least 20 minutes. They have to be so soft, even if you will think it's ready, cooked, keep going. It has to be almost like a paste. So let's keep watching and keep cooking for another 10 minutes at least. While our leeks cooking and stock as well on low-medium heat, we have to do prep for potato. The aroma in kitchen, unbelievable, make me hungry. So potato is ready. Let's check on our onions. As you see, the leeks is beautiful. It's almost as a paste, so soft, so fragrant, delicious. So now it's a perfect time to add next ingredients. Tomato, potato, and peas. Pinch of thyme, liquid. As a liquid, we're going to use our stock, vegetable stock. Now cover and let it simmer for at least 10 minutes or until potato completely cooked. And another one of most important ingredients, I think it's white pepper. It makes such a difference, but if you don't feel like you have to go and buy, you can make with black pepper. But white pepper, it's a little bit more delicate flavor, and it's nice to use, and I believe it's traditional way to use white pepper in this soup, so that's what I'm going to use. About 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to grind with little pesto. Soup smell delicious. It's time to blend. I like silky, smooth, very nice and creamy and smooth, but some people like chunky or semi-smooth. So up to you. So I'm going to puree until it's completely smooth, and I'm using this blender. If you don't have, you can use regular blender, but I would recommend doing batches and wait until it's a little bit cooled down. I don't recommend to use plastic, which is usually a blender made out of plastic, and hot liquid. It's not good. May take a few minutes to blend completely nice to smooth. Be patient. And now it's perfect time to add cream or milk, whichever you like. And I'm adding 1 cup. My husband likes thicker, on thicker side this soup, but if you like thinner, add more milk. And for the balanced flavor, I like to add a pinch of cayenne, just a little bit. I like to add cayenne everywhere. A little bit more salt. And about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I have nice vinegar my friend gave to me for Christmas. It's with tarragon, French tarragon. I love it. But any white vinegar will do. About 1 tablespoon. Need a little bit more of vinegar and a little bit more of salt. Traditionally, this soup should not have any vinegar, but I like for the flavor, and it's just nice balance. I can taste a little bit of kick from cayenne. It's delicious. I think now it should do. Let's taste. And the best part of the video, of course, taste. Looks so good. Generous amount. And I like to serve with crostinis or some kind of croutons or bread, whichever you prefer, and nice dollop of freshly made fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, you can find it easily. You can use sour cream or some whole milk yogurt, and garnish a little bit with chives. Oh yes, so comfortable, so delicious. It's a comfort food. So yummy, has so much flavor with simple ingredients. It's so delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope you give it a like and subscribe. Today in the episode we are making spaghetti, green spaghetti with goat cheese. Super delicious, easy to make and fun to eat. For this recipe we need just a handful of ingredients, and I'm sure you have in your pantry. It's super easy ingredients: spaghetti, olive oil, black pepper, salt, good quality Parmesan cheese, parsley, any parsley, Italian curly parsley, garlic, and fresh goat cheese, and of course to make green spaghetti we need some kind of greens. You can use kale or spinach. We're using baby spinach. Let's do it. While my water is boiling, getting to boil, I'm prepping some Parmesan cheese. We need nice generous amount, like about 1 cup or so. Let's boil pasta. I'm using whole wheat spaghetti, and make sure the water is really salty. Let's do it. To the blender, add the garlic, parsley with the stems. I just roughly chopped it, just get easier for the blender. And throw it. Super easy to make. And my kids love green. It's fun. Green spaghetti. And whole spinach. It's a lot. Some black pepper. Olive oil. About 3 tablespoons. A little bit of starchy water from boiling pasta. About half cup, and we can adjust later if we need it. And pinch of salt. I need to. And now it all comes together in one pot. Let's finish it. That's it, ready. Pasta is ready. It took only a few minutes to cook, like according to your package. I like to cook to al dente and then give it 1 or 2 minutes to cook together with all sauce we create. And I have little helper to taste, right? Oh yes. And a little bit of goat cheese. On top. Okay, just a little bit, and a little bit of olive oil, yes?
No.
Do you want cracked black pepper? No? Of course not. Do you want taste for me if it's good? Yeah. Doing right. Yummy. I hope you enjoy this recipe and hope you give it to try this recipe soon. And as always, for full recipe in description below, and give me a like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.